Hey everybody, this is Wendy at The Broken Needle, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and simple lined zipper pouch. This is a practical pouch that you can use to store your sewing notions, your presser feet, or even cosmetics. If you're enjoying our videos, please like and share with your friends and leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you can be reminded of future videos.
My fabric is cut, and our zipper needs to be the same width as the fabric. This zipper is longer. See the zipper stop here? We need to make a new one right here. I'm going to take my ruler and mark on the zipper 1/2 inch from the edge of the fabric right here. This is where we'll make a new zipper stop. Your pouch can be any width. Just make sure the zipper and fabric are the same width. Now we cut the zipper even with the fabric. To make our new zipper stop, we're going to sew back and forth right here. Just use a straight stitch. See, here's the new stop. Now take your zipper and put it right side down with the exterior fabric that is right side up. Now pin in place at both ends, making sure to unzip your zipper just a little bit. This is a zipper foot. Now I'm going to change out my A foot for my zipper foot. Using the edge of the foot here as my guide, I'm going to sew down the zipper right along the side of the teeth. Once we've sewn down to the zipper pull, we'll stop, lift up the presser foot, rotate and wiggle a little bit to zip the zipper closed. And continue sewing down. Now we're going to do the same thing. Make sure to open the zipper just a little and put your pieces right sides together. Pin in place, sew down along the teeth, and wiggle your zipper closed. Now your exterior pieces are complete. Now for the lining, take one lining piece and put it right side up. Fold our exterior pieces right sides together. Make sure the zipper is sandwiched between the exterior and the lining. Pin together if you wish, and we're going to sew along the seam or the stitches that we just made here. Again, our second piece of lining fabric is right side up, and this will be right side down with the zipper right here sandwiched in between the exterior fabric and the lining fabric. Sew right along the seam here. Looking good, huh? Now you can see the 4 pieces here are attached, and we'll flip it over, and just to make it look pretty, we're going to top stitch here on both sides. Now we can take off the zipper foot and replace it with an A foot. Before I start top stitching, I want to lengthen my stitches just to make them look prettier. It's not necessary, just up to you. I'm using about a 1/4 inch seam. Top stitch down both sides. Being very careful, I'm going to pull the zipper teeth open a little bit to the stop right here. Next, we need to unzip the zipper so that we can have an opening for turning this right side out at the end. Now place your exterior pieces right sides together and your lining fabric right sides together, and make sure the teeth are facing down towards the lining and pin in place right here. Pin all the way around. Now I'm all pinned, and make sure to leave an opening right here about 3 inches for turning right side out. Make sure to backstitch at the beginning and end and sew all the way around using a 1/4 inch seam. Clip all your corners. Now we'll turn it right side out, making sure to poke out our corners with our handy little tools. And now we need to close up the hole. Press and sew about 1/8 of an inch down. Push our lining down inside our pouch. Ta-da! Zipper pouch complete.